Hello everybody, I'm Kavita Agarwal and today we are here to talk about how to raise happy, healthy and self-confident kids, which is the dream of every parent to raise a happy, healthy and self-confident child. Indeed, it is a very tough job to raise a child who is both healthy and happy and self-confident, but we can do so following certain guidelines. The first thumb rule of raising such a child is to make rules. Yes, parents, we should make rules for our kids. You believe it or not, kids look for a set of guidelines. They look for certain structured guidelines from their parents within which they can revolve around. Unconsciously, a child mind looks for different ways in which he could spend his time. Not given a set of guidelines leaves a child unanswered to various questions, and when you scold him or when you ask him to do something, he has no clue about what his parents are talking about. So it's always the best to write down a routine for the child and put the child in a habit to follow the routine, to put the child in discipline. So yes, parents, create a set of guidelines or rules for your child. The next rule to raise a happy, healthy and self-confident child is to empower them to make their own decisions. Yes, the kids should have the right to make their own decisions. When they get awards for what good they do or punishment for something wrong which they have done, they know why their decision has gone wrong, and in near future when they decide something, they have the impact of the last decision in their mind. It helps them to be a better decision maker. So, let your kids decide and take small decisions on their own. Like for example, you do not decide what dress the child has to wear. Let the child himself decide what dress he has to wear. I have seen little kids in summer season taking out certain sweaters or pullovers. Let them wear that, let them feel the heat within, and then further when they start feeling hot, they themselves would say that, Mama, can I remove this? Let the kids take their decision on their own. Yes, put the guidelines when it is required, like for food, for discipline, but there are certain points in which you can leave them free to take their own decisions. The third and the most important factor to raise a happy, healthy and confident child is the way we talk to our children. Over the years, I have observed parents talking in different ways to their kids. Some are very dominating, some are over-loving, some may criticize, some may overpraise. The balance is maintained, but the way we talk to our kids actually helps to mold their success in future. Yes, because when a child is born, the child does not have any self of its own. It is the surrounding in which the child is living, and it is the most important people in his life, that is his parents, who help him to determine his self-esteem. So the way you talk to your child actually helps him to have a self-image of his own, which in turn in future helps to build his self-esteem, and which in turn in future helps him to go towards a successful path. So let's praise our child. Let's tell them how wonderful they are. Let's not compare our kids with any other child standing in the row. If you want your child to be good in something, instead of telling that the other child is doing so well and you have to do, we can show them that if you do good in this thing, you will be getting an award for this. Stop the comparison. Start praising your kids. Let them know how wonderful they are. Parents want their kids to listen to them, and a child in turn wants the love, the care from the parent. So let's together create a wonderful parenting. Let's together raise happy, healthy and confident child. And I would again like to say, it is the way that we talk to our child actually determines the success of the child in the future. Thank you so much.